"What a big piece of cheese," says the mouse. "I have to wash my hands before I can eat it. I eat 1 bite before I go to school. I eat 2 bites before I go to bed. I eat it up before the cat can catch me. Wash your hands before you eat. Let me show you how to do it. First, wet both of your hands with water. Second, use soap and make some bubbles. Third, rub or scrub your hands. Fourth, wash the bubbles away with running water. Last, dry your hands with a towel. One day a caterpillar found a leaf. "I would like to eat it for my breakfast," said the caterpillar. Then a mantis found the caterpillar. "I would like to eat it for my lunch," said the mantis. A bird found the mantis. "I would like to eat it for my dinner," said the bird, and the bird did.